At the same time, this is also opposed by some people who say that it will not reduce the election expenditure and will be an additional burden on the government exchequer. In Europe, in some countries like Germany, France, and also in Japan, this state funding system has been successfully implemented, but in my opinion, instead of giving it in cash, it can be paid in kind. For example, in the form of voter slips, elections, propaganda material, posters, or public addresses, system for elections meetings. This again should be made available only to the recognized political parties. Sir, in our country, there are many social, cultural, economic, and geographical differences. The present system is not representing the people's wishes directly either in parliament or in the state assembly. Sometimes the party securing 40% votes is getting 70% seats, and sometimes the party securing 40% votes is not getting even 20% seats. We are witnessing this is many parliamentary elections and assembly elections. So the present system is defective. Therefore, in my opinion, the system of proportion representation would be a better alternative. Of course, this system also has its own advantage and disadvantage. We have to consider the advantage as well as the disadvantage of this system. Under this system, one argument is that coalition government will come to power and there will be instability either in the center or in the state, and the leadership of the political parties becomes arbitrary and dictatorial. But what I want to say is that the party representatively in power under the present system does not enjoy majority in the parliament. Both in the 9th Lok Sabha elections and the 10th Lok Sabha elections, majority party did not come power.